Hell yeah. What's up, guys? Back with another video today. So today's the day. We're gonna be officially getting out the Mustang. My heart's racing at the moment. I've been dying to drive this car, and well, it's about time. So plans for today are to get it out, look over it, make sure there's no leaks or anything, no issues, get it fully warmed up. I want to check the oil, and then I need to write a letter to FedEx about how I'm not gonna be here tomorrow because my new wheels or my drift spares are coming in tomorrow. Don't know if they're gonna buy that or not, but if they do, they do. That'd really help. And yeah, then we're gonna take it for a drive. I'm gonna pick up my girlfriend Macy. Then we're gonna go to a little meet I set up with the boys, do a little shoot on their cars, nothing major, and just enjoy the beautiful day we got. It's a Wednesday. It's about 65-ish degrees out. So yeah, let's get it. Let's enjoy the damn day. Nice little calm your tits sticker. All right, so first step, gotta move good old Cherry Sherry. Hell yeah. All right, now let's find a spot to move this. That's gonna work. Here she is. Well, I guess we'll get the cover off. That part's done. Now we got to get some blocks. Oh, all right. Well, there goes nothing. Time to prove to my dad that I can do anything on my own. Well, it's out. I scratched it a tiny bit. I'll buff it, and regardless, getting it wrapped. So sweet. Alrighty, let's check the tire pressures, oil stuff, and we'll take her for a drive. Oh, it's warmed up. Cool. Ta-da! Numero uno. Nice. Ooh. Yeah, this one was low. It's only got 20 PSI, so we gotta fill that one back up. $32. Alright, got the tire filled up. All 32 PSI, so we'll take it. Oil's mint. So yeah, I guess we're ready for a drive, man. I'm gonna say it again. I am so freaking hyped. There you go. For those who complained. I miss this thing. Ah! Jesus. Holy crap, it feels really fast. I gotta get used to that again. Man, that's killer. I'll do a big pull once Maisie hops in the car. She'll be able to hold the camera. I don't want to get too risky with this thing. I mean, it is a Mustang. I will hit a crowd. Yeah, so gas right now is $3.39 for 93 in Ohio. So that's where I get my gas. Pretty close to the Ohio line. It's the easiest way to do it, so. Sheesh. It's a little dusty. Not bad though. I miss it. I can't wait. We got to get the side skirts on this weekend, and that's really the only plans. I was gonna throw the carbon dash in, but I have an airbag recall, so we're gonna get that handled first, and then we'll put the carbon dash on. Rolling up the Macy's now. Gotta let her know I'm here, I guess. She knows. Look at the smile on her face. Hi.
I missed you, baby.
Yeah, I missed it too.
Oh man,
I can't wait.
Good.
I can't wait to do pulls in this car with you. Like I just did one on camera and like it blew my mind.
Oh.
It feels so fast. It feels absolutely nuts. Alrighty, I got Macy recording right now. We're about to do the first pull, like official first pull. I'm gonna take this son of a biscuit to 6.5. I don't know if he'll reach 7 just because I'm having that issue that all MT82s have where they don't like to shift at high RPM, but I'm gonna give it the beans for y'all. Ready?
Oh my god! Hell yeah!
That feels so good. Like so good. We're in Mexico. We're just chilling. So now we're gonna go out to our normal meet spot, Hanks, and check out the boys. That's not what I meant. Well, we made it to the spot. I don't know these people, but there just happens to be dummy amounts of Mustangs tonight. So cool. I guess we fit in. We got fucking Zane's whip here. Yeah, I know, right? I love it. I got to get the side skirts on though. It doesn't complete the look at all. Like it looks good on its own, but then like you kind of look at the side and you're like, eh.
I need to get them too.
We got Dylan's car showed up. Now we got Bundy. He's got a beautiful whip. Beautiful. Matt's whip is here. I can't get a good zoom on it. Hi, Matt. Chilling. Sun's all the green. Zane's shit's loud. It's definitely louder than mine. He said he did another resonator delete this year. He's got courses and X pipes. I love it. His car definitely sounds better than mine, but I'm not about to spend $1,000 to redo my exhaust. I do not approve of this action. Whatever he does next, I don't approve of. I'm just filming it because he happens to be a friend of mine. Here we got my buddy Steve's car. It's a 335i. Big Turbski.
That's a big old shit.
Yeah.
I didn't get my stuff. I didn't get my stuff. It was like,
It's not his. This is Steve. Hi, Steve.
how many mil? What? It's a 62, 66. Yeah.
It's beautiful. It rips. I think it makes. Bye, Zane. I think it makes around 550. Love it. Absolutely love it. And here, this is CJ. This is CJ's car. He's got a... I can't really get a good light on it. He's got a 2SS Camaro, 2011. Bought this a while ago. It's clean. It's clean. I love this car. It's faster than mine, for sure. Hopefully he does some track events with me. I really, really do. Well, just hanging out with the guys. Kind of chillaxing. Sorry, I'm still getting used to this whole YouTube thing. So it's kind of hard to record and talk to them, but I think over time I'll get the hang of it. But really good hangout tonight. Feels good to be back in the car scene. Get my mojo back together. Hopefully soon we can have more daytime meets. I'm kind of having issues too, trying to record while in the dark. I gotta figure that out on this camera, if I can maybe edit the light settings, try and get it fixed. We're gonna, probably just me. I'm probably just gonna go on a cruise, me and Macy. That's about it. Then we'll call it a night, because it's just Wednesday. It's a school night. We gotta go to bed. We said screw it. I threw on the ghost cam just for a little bit. I miss how this thing sounds, but it is still fake, and I'm gonna keep saying that because ghost cams are somewhat lame, but none of these people know, so screw it. Wop, 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 wop. Well, just got done with the little hangout meet. A lot of fun. It's good to see the guys again. Hoping to have a lot more of those this year. A lot more. Gonna get together as much as we can this year and try to get together in a little bit better lighting situations, because this camera is not the best for recording in the dark, but I'm making it work. But alright, so that's gonna be the end of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Hopefully I edited it well. We'll figure it out. Take it easy.